Hi, my name is Teresa. This year, 2025, I was in the intern abroad in Greece, Athens, for the arts and culture internship. I'm from Washington State, and the reason why I chose to go on an internship outside of my country is because I wanted to gain experience, not only in arts, which is one of my majors, but also dealing with people from different cultures, learning about it, and interacting in a more professional manner. It was really cool because during my internship I got to learn from a lot of different people. So we went to different classes with artists and they taught us about their techniques. I really enjoyed that and I've learned quite a bit. I also really did enjoy the help and support I got from the Circa Abroad group. They were very helpful in that they communicated what was necessary and I felt welcome to ask questions if I needed.